In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off and turn on download your video from TikTok. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your TikTok account and tap on top right 3 lines. After that, you have to click on Settings and Privacy. When you click on Settings and Privacy, then you have to click on Privacy again. Now here you have to scroll down a bit and click on Download. Now click on Download here. Here you can turn it on or off. If you turn it on, it will mean that whenever you upload a video, there will be a download button below it and people will be able to download your video. Similarly, if you turn it off, then people will not be able to download your video. In this way you can turn off and turn on download on TikTok.